Throughout the 90s, Govinda ruled the silver screen with his impeccable comic timing, charm, and unforgettable performances. However, in recent years, the OG hero number one of Bollywood has been facing a major slump in his career. To make matters worse, the spotlight has now shifted to his personal life. For months, rumors of a rift between the actor and his wife Sunita Ahuja have been growing louder, fueled by speculation and unanswered questions. While Sunita has dismissed all rumors, her emotional statements have added fuel to the already raging fire. She admitted that the rumors have deeply affected her and made it clear that she would never forgive Govinda if the affair allegations were ever proven true. Her comments led many to believe that all was not well in their 39-year-long marriage, prompting intense public curiosity and media scrutiny. Now, breaking his silence in a conversation with ANI, Govinda finally shared his side of the story. The actor said he chose to speak up because staying quiet would have made him appear weak. According to Govinda, the situation is far bigger than a marital misunderstanding. He claimed that there is a bigger conspiracy at play and alleged that even his own family members, including Sunita, are being used without realizing it.
तो किसी की सोची समझी साजिश में घर परिवार आ जाता है। मुझे ये कहा गया था कि इसमें आपके परिवार का, घर का जो लोग हैं वो यूज़ हो सकते हैं, उन्हें इसका पता नहीं चलेगा कि वो एक बड़ी कॉन्स्पिरेसी के अंदर शुरुआती तौर पे इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं।
Talking about Sunita's role in his life, Govinda said she often worries about his career setbacks and project rejections, but doesn't realize how these concerns are pulling her deeper into what he believes is a calculated attempt to damage his image. He added that when an actor becomes extremely popular, there are always people waiting to bring them down socially and professionally.
तो वो कहाँ करती हैं कि आपको जो चाहिए वो मिलता नहीं है और जो मिलता है वो आपको चाहिए नहीं, तो फिर घर कैसे चलेगा। परंतु वो कभी ये नहीं सोच सकती कि एक बहुत बड़ी कॉन्स्पिरेसी के ओपनिंग बैटमैन में आपको मैदान में उतार दिया गया है। फिल्म लाइन में जिस वक्त आपकी प्रचलितता एक हद से बाहर निकलती है तो विचलितताओं के साथ बहुत सारे लोग आगे आते हैं, जो अपेक्षित नहीं होते वो भी।
Govinda also spoke about feeling insulted through indirect remarks and jokes made on television shows, particularly those involving his nephew Krishna Abhishek. He revealed that he had warned Krishna about how certain dialogues were hurting his reputation.
अब चाहे कृष्णा के आप टेलीविज़न के आप देखिए प्रोग्राम्स हो, उसे भी राइटर्स लोग जो हैं, उसे भी राइटर लोग ऐसे नहीं ऐसे वार्तालाप करवाते थे जिससे मेरी इंसल्ट होती थी। तो मैं कृष्णा से कहा कि कृष्णा बेटा तुम्हारा यूज़ हो रहा है मेरी इंसल्ट के लिए, तो थोड़ा सा तुम एहतियात रखना कि मेरे विषय में जैसे तुम अपना घर परिवार के लिए सोचा करते हो ऐसे मेरे लिए भी सोचना।
The actor turned emotional while speaking about his family and children. Married since 1987, Govinda and Sunita share two children, daughter Tina, who made her Bollywood debut in 2015 with the film Second Hand Husband, and son Yash Vardhan, who is preparing for his acting debut. Govinda said he prays for clarity, peace, and no misunderstandings within his family, admitting that the ongoing tension has left him feeling suffocated. Amid all this, Govinda's nephew Vijay Anand, who had shared screen space with him in the 2001 comedy Amdani Athanni Kharcha Rupaiya, urged everyone to respect their family's privacy. As the rumors continue to swirl, Govinda's statement adds a new twist to an already dramatic story, leaving fans wondering what's really happening behind closed doors. So, is this just a misunderstanding, or is there more to it than meets the eye? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and do not forget to subscribe to Shosha for more such trending stories.